Face sheet. Materials required: transparent sheet, double-sided disco tape, paper stripe, velcro, scissor, glue or Fevicol, fabric paint, and one napkin. So let's start preparing. Take double-sided disco tape and cut into 2 parts. Stick disco tape at one side and another at one side. Stick it in the corners of the sheet like this. Now take velcro and stick it at one side. Take another velcro tape and stick it on another side. It will look like this. Now we have to decorate this part. So take paper stripe. We have to stick it here with the help of Fevicol or Feviglue. Apply Fevicol on paper stripe. Now stick it here. Press it nicely. Now we have to decorate this part with this red color. I am using red color. You can use different colors. Dip your thumb into this color and print it like this. Okay. See. Our face sheet is ready now. It is ready to wear.